Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce one of the vintage G-Shock model. This is DW-6094. It was released in May 1994. It is the 94 World Cup commemorative edition model. You can see here World Cup 94 and the band here, official watch of World Cup USA 1994, and here there is a logo here. Okay, this is DW-6094 1C. During this time, two models were released. The other one is DW-6094 1B. You can see the difference if you look at the band. Okay, module 904, model name DW-6094, released in 1994. Is one of the vintage model. Right now this watch don't have bezel because bezel already broken, cracked, but today we are going to restore it by install a custom bezel. This is custom bezel made by Store. I'm gonna install this bezel because this is the closest one to the original bezel with yellow lettering here and here white lettering. I also have this bezel, this lettering red and orange, and this one blue color with orange lettering and white here. So we are going to install this one. Okay, I will show how to install this bezel to this watch. The installation and restoration process is not difficult, it's just a simple step. First, we are going to install this bezel. You start from the right side and then now you have to push all the button here so that you can install the bezel. Okay, just like that. Okay, and now we are going to put the screw and tighten the screw. Add the screw. Okay. Okay, it's done. See how nice the watch is. Now we are going to see all the features of this watch. This is a timekeeping mode, and this is a stopwatch, 1/1000 second stopwatch. See, push 1 2 ni push one more time to reset. And it also have alarm. Okay, I think that's all for this time. If you are looking for DW-6000 bezel, you can get it from us, from the store. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye.